In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and get the Supercell ID verification code if you currently are not receiving it. There's two common fixes that actually do work, and we're going over them in this video. And if this video does help you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more mobile game tips and fixes. So after entering in your email for your Supercell ID, you should receive a 6-digit verification code via email. If it's not showing up, the first thing that I would check is whether your Gmail app or just your overall email app is up to date. An outdated app can sometimes block or delay incoming messages. To actually change this, head to the App Store or the Play Store and install the latest update of your app. So in my case, Gmail does not have an update, so I don't need to do that. Now, if you're still getting nothing, open up the email app that you use and actually go ahead and scroll down till you find the spam folder. Supercell often does send the verification code straight to spam, and it might not happen for everyone, but it is very common. So be sure to open up your Gmail or your email app and then head to the spam tab and look for the email from Supercell. That's all you need to do. If you found the code, let me know down in the comments. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe for even more helpful fixes just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.